How to set 4-digit passcode on iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem on how to do it, don't worry. This video is right for you as we have brought you some tips and tricks on how you can do it. Firstly, all you have to do is go and tap on Settings. Now scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called Face ID and Passcode. It will now ask you to enter your passcode. Now scroll down again and tap on Turn the passcode on if it is off. As you can see, my passcode is already on, so it does not require the on option again. But if it is off, please make sure to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it will automatically ask you to enter your new set passcode. And once you fix your passcode, your Digit Passcode is now fixed to be set on your iPhone. And in this way, you can easily set your new 4-digit passcode on your iPhone.
If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.